Hello, welcome back to TGFC How To. Tama ba to? I'm Choy of The Good Food Co and blah blah blah, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make our own mango crepe. So basically, yung recipe ko ng crepe batter, 1, 2, 3 lang. 1 cup of flour, 2 eggs, and 3 cups of milk. Okay, so first you put the flour in the bowl, and then the egg and the milk, and then you mix it thoroughly. Make sure na walang lumps from the flour. Okay, then set it aside, and then we'll start making our creme de chantilly. First, you put the heavy cream, 750 ml of heavy cream, and then 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of sugar, and then the vanilla extract. Wait until the heavy cream is na siya, whipped. Okay, parang stiff peaks. When you pull the wire whisk, mag-form siya ng peaks. Okay? And then after that, make sure you don't overmix the heavy cream kasi magiging butter yan. Kasi mag-separate yung milk fat at saka yung whey. And then you put the sugar gradually. And then lastly, put the vanilla extract. Okay, next we'll start with the caramel. First, you put the sugar in the pan. And then you wait until the sugar will start melting. No? When everything is melted, you put the butter, and then you mix it vigorously, and then lastly put the cream, and then add a pinch of salt. Okay, next let's prepare our mango. You slice the mango in half, and then you slice it in half again. And then you get the meat of the mango with the spoon. And then, so first, gawin natin yung filling, yung mango filling. So you slice the mango horizontally para meron kang mango slices. And then, sa other half ng mango, you get the mango meat again with the spoon. And then you slice it na merong matirang konti sa dulo. And then you slice the whole mango, and then gawin mo siyang fan. Okay, that's how you make a fan with the mango. Okay, after that, we'll make the crepe. Okay, put a thin layer of butter on the pan, on a hot pan, and then you put the crepe batter on the pan. Make sure it's not too much because your crepe will be too thick. No, you don't want a crepe that is too thick, okay? And then you glaze it all around the pan para even yung distribution ng crepe batter. And then after that, you wait for the batter to coagulate. You can check it with your rubber spatula. And then kung medyo nag-brown na yung other side, you flip it. Now, if you don't know how to flip it with the pan, you can just use a rubber spatula to assist the crepe na ma-flip siya sa pan. After that, you wait again na mag-brown yung other side, and then you flip it one last time. After that, you put it in the plate. So now let's plate our crepe. No, first on the plate na merong crepe, you put the creme de chantilly, and then put the crushed graham crackers, and then the sliced mangoes, and then you fold the crepe na para siyang maging triangle, and then you put your favorite ice cream on top. In this case, we put Oreo cheesecake ice cream, and then you drizzle your caramel sauce on top. And lastly, you put the mango fan. And that's how we make our best-selling mango crepe in the Good Food Co and blah blah blah. Bye! no?
Pinabidyo na.
Son? Son? Atin mo na pala?
So, nagbilig na kagakuan dito sa Pikas.
Ano niya po?
Okay. Kasi mas bagay, natunan ka na rin.
Pero most of the time, dito.
Yung mga kailan na i-advertise mo lang sa video.
Ilan lang, 10 years.
Sa formation?
Oo.
7 years.
7 years. Saya makakapilas niyo no, sa reunion.
Oo, nakakuli. Yung po kami yan, ay kailangan na tuman ng video.
Yung po kay Kuya.
Hindi sa ilagay kuya po.
Sa alumni, Kuya Bong. Kuya Bong ka na. Yeah, pero sa akin, yun na to si Kuya David niya. Gusto ko si Kuya Bong makapil kanta ba? Ako dito sa concert, nakalaw mo dyan.
Asa, di ba Ateneo?
Ateneo.
Sa taas.
Kapit mo ka itong concert sa una?
Oo, sa Ateneo.
Rubik mo.
Mga pila na mo ka po sa IT na ka po